All right, so to make a pivot table in Google Sheets, highlight the whole data set. Come on, Betsy. Once you get highlighted, you go to Data, Pivot Table. And then this will pop up. And let's say you want to make a pie chart of ice cream. And you'll put ice cream on the row, ice cream on the values, like so. Insert the chart. Boom, done. Default is pie chart. Beautiful. Okay. Now, let's say you wanted to do a side-by-side chart, ice cream and state of birth. Sweet. Then you put it like this. Okay, I'm going to go ahead and copy that data. I like to make a different page. That's just me. You do you. A chart, and it'll give me a suggested chart. It gives me this, which is the side-by-side chart. You can also use a stacked chart like this one if you'd like. Beautiful. And that's the game. That's how you do them. And then when you're done, you go back over here to pivot table here like so, and you're just like, yeah, I don't want these ones anymore. Just delete them like that, and it goes bye-bye. You can start over again. Okay? Hope that helps.